Hello everyone, today I am going to explain about how to remove unnecessary files in your Windows computer. Number 1. Type as a setting in search bar. Number 2. After setting visible to you, now click setting. Number 3. Then click System. Number 4. Then find the Storage in slide menu and click Storage. Now System will start scan the storage usage in your computer. Number 5. After scan is complete, click Temporary Files. Now System automatically starts scan temporary files in your Windows operating system. It includes fewer files like this. After scan is completed, it will automatically select the unwanted files. And some files were not selected by System, such as downloads, recycle bin. Do not select these files yourself because you will lose your downloaded files and some necessary files. Be careful with select these files. Number 6. Then you can simply click the Remove Files. Now it will automatically remove the file. Great! Now you can see some additional space released to your system disk. Then you can work with your computer normally as well as efficiency. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share with your friends.